Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the PNY Performance 64GB DDR5 SODIMM memory kit, specifically designed for laptops. If you're like me, always pushing your laptop to its limits with demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, or running virtual machines, then memory is key. This kit promises to deliver a significant performance boost, and I'm excited to see if it lives up to the hype. This PNY kit comes with two 32GB DDR5 SODIMM modules, operating at a frequency of 5,600 MHz. That's pretty fast, and it adheres to the PC 5-44800 standard. The timings are CL46-46-46-90, which is fairly standard for DDR5 SODIMMs. It's also compatible with slightly slower speeds like 5,200 MHz and 4,800 MHz, offering flexibility for different laptop configurations. The kit operates at a low voltage of 1.1 V, which is great for power efficiency and helps to keep your laptop running cooler. One of the biggest advantages of DDR5 over DDR4 is the increased bandwidth. This means your laptop can transfer more data at once, resulting in snappier performance and reduced lag, especially when multitasking. The PNY Performance DDR5 kit leverages this advantage, providing a noticeable improvement in responsiveness compared to older DDR4 memory. Installation is incredibly straightforward. It's a simple plug-and-play process. Just pop open your laptop's memory compartment, remove the old modules, and insert the new PNY SODIMMs. No drivers or complicated software installations are required. The kit also features on-die ECC, which helps to detect and correct memory errors, improving system stability and data integrity. In terms of real-world performance, the PNY 64GB DDR5 kit shines. I tested on a laptop equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor, and the results were impressive. Video rendering times were significantly reduced, large file transfers were faster, and multitasking felt smoother than ever before. Even demanding games saw a noticeable improvement in frame rates and overall responsiveness. The PNY Performance 64GB DDR5 SODIMM kit is a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to boost their laptop's performance. The fast speeds, high capacity, and easy installation make it a worthwhile investment. Plus, the limited lifetime warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that PNY stands behind their product. If you're in the market for a memory upgrade, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.